raised the issue of continuous firing and shelling on the border and the line of control, wherein our soldiers are getting martyred every day and the civilian population is facing the brunt of the escalation of tension on the Indo-Pak line of control and the border. And we wanted the government to make a statement on the floor of the House to explain what steps are being initiated to de-escalate the tension on the LOC and the IB, as also to protect the border residents from the daily agony that they are facing. The Speaker, I think, realized the gravity of the situation, and in the absence of the Leader of the House in the House and also the Deputy Chief Minister, he adjourned the House. We demand a statement from the government on the floor of the House on what steps are being initiated. The BJP, which has always been talking about normalizing the situation, owes an explanation. Rhetoric will not work. People are dying. Soldiers are getting martyred. Who is answerable and accountable to the soldiers' families who are on a daily basis getting martyred in the defense of the nation? Yesterday also, 4 soldiers have been martyred. The civilian population is in a disarray and is under constant fear. It is the responsibility of the government to protect the lives and properties of the people. The martyrdom of the soldiers we salute, but it is our duty to create an atmosphere. Howsoever we do it, the government must do it to ensure peace returns to the line of control and the international border.